Good morning, everyone. Currently, I am in Copamarina Beach Resort. So if you want to check out how this place is, make sure you keep watching this video. Let's go. Make sure, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way you can always follow all of my amazing content that I have for you guys. So I am currently in the room here, the Copamarina Beach Resort in Guanica, Puerto Rico. Now, just to take a quick look at it, you have a closet here. There's a bathroom. Obviously, we've been using it, but we got here really late last night, so I didn't really have the energy to actually record it. But there's a sofa, an SL table, king size bed, you got a TV, coffee maker. Oh, there's actually a little refrigerator right there too. And let's check out the view. I have a pretty big balcony here. And check it out. Truly is very nice. There's a pool in the lobby. This is the pool in our section. We're in building 4. There's a lot of buildings here, so kind of requires you to take the golf cart ride to get all the way over here. But yeah, it's pretty big resort here in Guanica. And to be honest, I never really heard about this place. But since we're here in Puerto Rico helping out with Hurricane Fiona, especially my father's property, we said, you know what, let's check it out. All the hotels in Ponce are pretty much booked. There's just these little boutique hotels or motels, and you know, motel, we already know what motels are used for, so didn't really want to book one. So we spent a little more money and we came here to Guanica, and we're staying here. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see how the pool is. We'll check out the beach to see it's a really nice beach, and we'll send the drone and everything so that way you guys can have an amazing view of this whole place. It's a very well maintained property. Only thing is the walking. So it's pretty far walk from here to the parking lot. And you don't have the golf carts coming in, and you're just going to have to walk. That's one of the things that I've always kind of avoided at a resort, getting the golf carts. So they do have a spa here. It's called the Knee Spa. In fact, all the soaps in the rooms are actually, they have the branding of Knee Spa, the soap, shampoo, body wash. So pretty cool. They have a tennis court here with basketball court in the background. That's good to know if you like to kind of resort chill. You got bored, you can play some basketball, some tennis. I'm not a big tennis guy. And there's a parking lot, so it's not that far of a walk, but you do have to walk. You do have to walk a bit. I'll give you guys a view of the lobby in a second. Check out the lobby. They're cleaning up the pool. Our jacuzzi. Looks like they have a restaurant where you can eat breakfast and dinner in this area. That's pretty good for those travelers that don't rent a car. Come to Puerto Rico, you have to rent a car. You have to go to different spots. And here's the view of the beach here in the morning. Very calm, tranquil waters. Looks like you can rent these cabañas. And it was by reservation. I saw it earlier in the lobby. Beautiful. All right, time for some pool time. Been working in my father's property, trying to fix up the leaves and all that. Trees, not leaves, trees. But now we're here in Guanica in the resort, and we gotta enjoy. So really nice pool. Let's go in. Oh, yes, water is good. Man, yeah, water's warm, right?
Yeah. Beautiful.
I would just say the only thing is it's very shallow, only 3 feet. I'm not sure if the lobby pool is deeper than this one, but we'll check it out. We'll check it out to see how it is out there. Now we sure hope it doesn't rain. It's been a very beautiful day today in Puerto Rico. It just started to get cloudy, but and it's the life right now. Very, very quiet here. Not sure how it is in July and August when everybody's in the Caribbean, but we're in October here, and also they just went through the Hurricane Fiona, so I'm not sure if this is a thing where it's always empty like this. I would imagine that there's a lot more people in higher season, so you want to have it to yourself. Come in October, come November, early November, and you will enjoy it much better with less people. All right, let's go check out the lobby pool. Have a little kiddies pool by the lobby side. Okay, it looks like this one is just a tad bit deeper, 4 feet. So that's good. So we just found this strange tree right in front of our room. Check it out. Apparently it's not painted, and the whole tree is like that. Interesting. If anybody knows what kind of tree that is or what it's called, please comment below. Let me know.
Yep.
Check it out, the nighttime. You got the pool and you got a fire pit here too. That's amazing. Look at that. The moon. Man, how beautiful is this? We got the jacuzzi. Good morning, everyone. Sun has come out and I want to give you guys a good look of the resort, and I chose the morning. It's just so beautiful. It's about 6:50, almost 7 o'clock, and I've been sleeping since like 9:30 at night. I was just completely tired. Been pretty tired from the past 2 days working in my father's property, fixing it up after the hurricane. So finally get to really rest for a long time, and it's like that extra I don't know, sleep that I just needed. So yep, here we are. Property as beautiful as can be. And we are going to fly right now. One day, man, one day, this will be me every single day. Working hard to have this type of lifestyle, even if it takes me till I'm 60 years old. Have a job here. Not a job here, I'm sorry, a house here. And just be able to enjoy my days here in this beautiful island. It's gonna happen.